Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan H and welcome to the project. I want to kick off this YouTube channel by documenting a complete build with 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. So here she is, the first project of the channel. I want to transform this old Cherokee into a beach Jeep. I've had her since 2009. Got 250,000 plus miles on it. I want to give this baby a second shot at life. The goal here is to put my whole family, my wife, my 3 kids, and everything we need for a day at the beach inside this thing and not have to worry about anything else. But before we do all that, let's see if it'll start. Didn't start. Gonna let this thing charge up, try it again later. In the meantime, let's go to the back. So this was the parts car. This is my brother Mike's old Cherokee. It has about 130,000 miles on the engine, and then it was in an accident. It's been sitting in my backyard for a while waiting for this project. It's been a long time coming. As you can see, we harvested the engine. It's sitting over here waiting to be put in Project Beach Jeep. So what we got to do right now is take every last nut and bolt out of this thing. The doors, the hood, the hatch, anything else I can find. Because Tony's going to come down and take it away. Had the worst door hinges ever. I don't think there's a Cherokee ever made that does not click. What do you call a blind dinosaur?
Well,
Do you think he saw us? We're gonna keep it wholesome for the kids.
that's where you cut to some music.
Alright, so here we are with the doors, the hood, the fenders, and the hatch stripped off. All we gotta do is get rid of the windows. Now let's see if that one starts. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so now that we got the parts car out of the backyard, we got to get Project Beach Jeep into the backyard. But first, we're going to take a little ride in my good Cherokee. We're going to get some lunch. 2000 Cherokee Limited. Just another huge thank you to Greg for coming out on his day off to help me get this Jeep apart, help me get it ready for Tony to pick it up. One last thing, I'm going to remove the rear quarter panel glass. Just going to pry it out with a couple screwdrivers, and on a nice hot day it should be real easy. There it is. This thing's going bye-bye. Got the ramps. Alright guys, now that we got the parts car out of here and the Cherokee where it needs to be, we can officially let Project Beach Jeep begin. That's going to do it for this first episode. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.